Hello guys, hope you are well. So I'll show you today new things. So I know that maximum people actually curious to know about this. The simple thing, okay. So we know that in our WordPress and WordPress is already has the Gutenberg editor, and maximum people don't like actually Gutenberg editor. So don't like Gutenberg editor. So want to move on WordPress old editor. So is it possible to that? Yeah, definitely. Definitely you can do it by a simple plugin. Okay, so let's go and see. So if I go to the add new post, we'll see this interface or this editor. Okay, but we didn't see it in our old post or sorry old WordPress like as yeah, we always see this interface, okay, but we didn't see this interface. Okay, this editor is Gutenberg editor, and actually many people are not comfortable with the Gutenberg editor. They always try to work on this old editor. Okay, so for them, so we can, so like wait, just another thing, we need to go to add new page. Same thing, same editor as the WordPress page and post as well. Okay, so we need to move on our old editor. And how? Just you should go plugin section and click on add plugin and just click the search classic editor. Okay, and then you will see this classic editor. Yeah, this classic editor, you need to install it and activate it. After activating it, we need to go add new post and we'll see our old editor. Okay, and need to create add new page. Yeah, that's our old editor. Okay, that's our old editor. So hope you can change editor by using this classic editor. Okay, so one more thing. Yeah, if you go to the settings menu and the writing, and then you will see these two editors, classic editors and blog editors, default editors for all users. You can change from here also. Okay, just so by this way you can change Gutenberg editor into the classic editor. So just we need to create a post, a dummy post, dummy description here. Okay, and dummy, sorry, okay, we don't need to, just click on publish button. Let's see. This post here. Okay, sorry, we created the page, not post. Okay, that's why it's showing here. Okay, by this way you can create post as well. Dummy posts. Run posts. Just click here and yeah, that's the diagrams. Click and you will see the diagrams. Okay, so hope you're clear now. So thank you for watching. Bye.